Hi guys, I'm Jack with Power Pack. I'm here with Garrett, and we're going to be talking about these gloves today. So Garrett, what are these gloves?
So what we have here are dielectric gloves, also known as high voltage gloves or KV gloves. They're generally worn by electricians or anyone who would have to deal with equipment that has a high amount of voltage running through it or any kind of current. It protects the wearer from electrocution. Now, as you can see here, the pair that you're holding is a class 0. That means that it's rated for up to 1,000 volts. It even says it there on the label.
Right.
This pair that I have here is a class 2. This is rated for up to 17,000 volts.
So what about these leather gloves? Are these an alternative?
No, the leather gloves are not an alternative. These are known as leather protectors. Now, what they're designed to do is to protect the KV electric glove from puncture. Now, this KV glove protects the wearer from electrical voltage, but if there's even the slightest tear or puncture, they're no longer effective, and electricity will be able to pass through the glove and into the wearer. The leather glove protects the KV glove from mechanical wear and tear. So if you're handling anything that has a rough surface, pointy or sharp, that could potentially cut open the glove, that makes the user vulnerable. The leather glove helps protect the KV glove from punctures.
So from my understanding, you need a pair of rubber gloves and the leather protectors. So how do you figure out the size with both of them?
So the sizing is very simple. In order to figure out the size for your hand, you just measure around the size of your palm, right? So if that's 10 inches, then you want a size 10 glove. Now, it's a common misconception that the leather protector should be larger or a size larger than the rubber glove. You want them both to be the same size.
So I hear these require frequent testing. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yes, the testing is absolutely important in order to maintain the safety and integrity of the glove and safety of the worker. So you want to conduct a safety test every time before you use the glove. Now, the way you do that is by a visual and physical inspection of the glove to check for any holes or punctures. You also want to turn the glove inside out and check inside there. Then the last portion is to take the glove in both hands, spin it around like this so that you trap air inside. See that, how the air is trapped in the fingers? Then you want to squeeze it and see if any air gets out. If any air gets out of any portion of the glove here, that means that it's been punctured somewhere and it's not safe to use. You also want to have it professionally tested in a lab every 6 months, which is something that we happen to do here at Power Pack Civil and Safety.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Garrett, for answering all these great questions, and hope you guys enjoy.
Stay safe out there.
Yes.